Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Webmin from starting on Debian VPS step by step clearly. To disable Webmin from starting on your Debian VPS, first, log into your server using SSH. Use your preferred terminal application, and execute the command SSH username at your _server_IP. Replace username with your actual username and your _server_IP with the IP address of your VPS. Once logged in, you will need to switch to the root user by typing sudo su and entering your password if prompted. Next, check if Webmin is currently running by entering system.status Webmin. You will see the current status of the Webmin service. To stop Webmin from running right now, type system.stop Webmin and press enter. The service will stop immediately. Now, to prevent Webmin from starting automatically on system boot, you should disable it by entering system.disable Webmin. This command will remove Webmin from the list of services that start on boot. To confirm that the service has been disabled, type system.list unit files type equals service grep Webmin. You should see that the Webmin service is listed as disabled. If you want to remove Webmin completely from your system, you can do so by executing apt-get remove Webmin. This will uninstall Webmin from your Debian VPS. Finally, you can exit the root user session by typing exit. You are now securely logged out of the root account, and your configurations are complete. Webmin will no longer start automatically on your Debian VPS after a reboot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.